Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys step by step how I will do this easy distress boss braids in less than 1 hour. Let me say it in less than 1 hour. If you want to learn, stay tuned and then watch this video. And then to start, I will go ahead and open the hair for you guys to see the 3 different colors I am to choose from. This hair is from Re4u hair on Amazon, which all the details of the hair will be in the description box below. And then you can see the first color. This one looks very pretty. I swear I was kind of like deciding if I am to use this or use natural black. This one is very, very pretty. I swear if you are a person that love color, if you want to order, go for this. This one is pretty. And on their website, they have different colors you will be able to choose from. And then you see this color, I swear, is also very pretty. If you are a person that love color, go for this as well. And but I am going to use natural black. You guys know how I love anything black, because when if I have black, if the hair is getting maybe older, it will not be like visible like that. This is the reason why I preferred using black. But if you are to order, you decided to mix the 3 colors together, it will also be pretty as well. As you guys can see, you see the 3 different colors together, it still looks very pretty. To start, I will just go ahead and braid my natural hair. I hate to comb my natural hair, guys. Oh my gosh. And as my hair is natural, it's kind of hard to detangle and do the cornrows and all. But I decided to just do this massive cornrows. As long as the front is neat, that is what I am going for. You can see how the back looks, and you see the front. The front was a little bit smaller than the back, which I was loving, which I wanted as well. And you can see the back, big cornrows, and I wanted something very simple. And I am not, if I am to tie the hair at the back like this, it will not be nice. And then I decided to just tuck in all my hair inside the cornrows like this, using crochet hook as usual. And I was also able to just use my hand to just tuck in the cornrows inside like this, so that I will be able to install the crochet braids. Yes, so what I will do now is just to go ahead and moisturize my scalp. I will go ahead and use Freedom Styles Magic Hair Growth Oil to moisturize my scalp, which is very, very important. Always moisturize your scalp. Apply it gently on my scalp. I already moisturized my hair before doing the cornrows. And I also go ahead and also moisturize my scalp. And then what I will do is just to start doing the crochet braids. You can see how simple it opened, because they twisted the start of the braids. They twisted it. It was very easy to open and install. And I will just start to do the normal crochet braids, and it was kind of easy. And you guys will also see, I will also try to give you guys details. This hair is very light, very, very light. And I love that the hair is not too big like that. The braids is not too big. It was very easy for me to install. Doing the crochet braids, not the cornrows, doing the crochet braids was less than 1 hour, not with the cornrows. And you can see how I am doing the crochet braids. How many packs did I use? I will try to tell you guys the packs I used later on. And if you are to buy this hair, There is this color they also have. It looks like ombre. Oh my gosh, the color is very, very pretty. If you are to try such color, don't forget to send me picture on Instagram. The color is very pretty as well. Ombre, like ombre, light ombre. Very pretty. If I am to try this hair again, I think I will try that color. And don't forget that all the details of this hair will be in the description box. This hair is from Re4u hair. Re4u hair. Re4u, RE4u hair. You can see I am done. It was very, very easy, simple, light, and I ended up using I ended up using 7.5 packs. Yes, I would have been able to use 6 or 7, but I needed something like much, a little bit much. This is the reason why I ended up using 7.5 packs. You will be able to use, if you need it simple, you'll be able to use 6 or 5 packs. It depends on the volume you want. And you see the way I did the cornrows, I will be able to flip the hair as I want, side part, center part, middle part, or back. And I will also be able to do a little bit of maneuvering and tie it up, which is very nice. This is the reason why I love to do all back cornrows while doing crochet braids. And then you can also see the back of the hair, very light. It looks very full, but the lightness is on point. And then you see, this is what I was saying just now. We'll be able to do many styles with this hair. And I was kind of loving it. The lightness is mwah. Everything about this hair is pretty. I love the color, like the natural black. Like sitting and doing braids for many hours, just go for something like this. And if you maintain it well, you will also be able to reuse it. This is money saving machine. I just placed the 2 colors at the 2 sides so that you guys will also see how it looks. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.